Hey, good morning, guys. It's HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hope you're having a great day so far. Hey, we're on our way to check out a brand new pool home RV garage listing in the residential estates area. Hang out with us and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, right here at 2420 Snead Drive. Great residential estates neighborhood, just houses away from access to the golf course clubhouse. It's actually that little cul-de-sac right there will take you into the clubhouse area. It's a driving range, two 18-hole courses. All the residential estates area has underground utilities, and most have natural gas. So you have some gated site access. So you also have gated site access on this side, but not a lot of room to park a lot of stuff, maybe a little trailer if you wanted to. Let's go on in and check it out. So it has a nice circular drive, nice little entry. All right, guys, this is a 4-bedroom, 4-bath, built in 94, 2,555 square feet, was just listed for $925. Does have a slider out to the backyard pool area, but they have a couch in front of it, a little bit of it. Nice tall ceilings. So you have 2 bedrooms off of the entry. This is bedroom number 1 at the front of the house. Has nice tall ceilings. There's no closet in here, so I'm not sure if they're calling it a bedroom or not. There is a bed in here. But it does have a little door to the kitchen area and dining room that wraps around to the living area. Go check that out in a second. So you got another bedroom right across the hall here. Kind of the same setup, big tall ceilings. So this room does not have a closet either. So you have your kitchen and dining area. It's a pretty big space. Can light, ceiling fan, slider out to the backyard pool area. So you have a lot of storage, big fridge, double oven, tile counters. So this has natural gas, so there's a gas range. That window shoots out to the backyard pool area. So it also has a pretty big pantry that basically is under the stairwell. A little bar area that we just saw, and that's the door to that bedroom. So there's also a little bathroom off the kitchen here as well. So you have your garage access and laundry room back here. Has a sink, has a door out to the backyard pool area as well. Cool little space, some storage. All right, so we're gonna go upstairs and see what we got. All right, so the first room you run into is the master. Has double doors. It's a pretty big master. It's got tall ceilings, speakers in the ceiling, slider out to the deck. So you got a nice big master, dual sinks, tons of natural light, has a skylight. Walk-in shower. Nice jetted tub. Little lake view out the window. Has a little walk-in closet back here. Of course, you have your toilet. All right, let's go check out the other rooms. All right, so you have this little patio off the master. Pretty good size. Very nice views of the golf course clubhouse. I believe that's hole number 1 over there. That big building is the golf courses. I think that's like their maintenance building. Beautiful pool area down here. So those cars over there, that's basically the clubhouse. So you can walk over there, have lunch. They have really good food. The driving range. All right, let's go check out the other bedrooms and the pool and the garage. All right, so right next to the master, you have another little bedroom. This one does have a closet, view out to the pool, out the window. Has these built-in desk type drawer setup. It's your standard closet. Right, so you have a little storage area. Also have another bath. Does have a skylight, super bright in here, dual sinks. There's a shower. All right. So you have 2 more bedrooms at the end of the hall. These are at the front of the house. This is the same kind of setup with that little built-in desk dresser setup. This bedroom's also at the front of the house. Has a double door closet. All right, let's go check out the pool. All right, so they have a 2-car garage that's 24 feet deep. Does have an 8-foot door, epoxy floors. They're insulated. So your RO, water softener, the air handler is installed out here. So then you also have this 48-foot RV garage. Has a 14-foot door. Also has epoxy floors. Has a little utility sink. Skylights. All right, so you have a nice little patio setup. This actually sits on a pretty big residential estates lot. 16,204 square foot. So there's a lot of value in this piece of land here. Nice little artificial turf putting greens. There's can lights, speakers in the ceiling, little window bar. That's the laundry room. So it's all travertine decking. There's a little bathroom out here, and all the pool equipment is under roof here. Little storage area. Little pool bath with a sink. Nice little setup right here. Eat outside. It's getting to be that time of year. We have a cool little outdoor shower. Pool looks real nice. Has pop-up cleaners. All travertine. Little bar seating area over there with room for an umbrella. Nice little hot tub. Pretty private. This is just a utility building for the golf course, so there's nobody looking in on you. You have a double gate back here, so not sure there's access, but you could take your golf cart. Looks like they're doing some drainage work. Maybe when they're done, you can take your golf cart right across the way, or just use it to walk over to the clubhouse. Got some fruit trees. There's some built-in wall lighting. Here's that little side access area that's gated. All right, guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Snead Drive. Again, this one was just listed for $925. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you can get all the listing pictures, current price, etc., etc. Of course, if you guys have any questions, all my contact information is always right below this video. Always feel free to reach out to me anytime. I'm here to help. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.